Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add the bazooka to our player hands since the script animation everything is ready now. So I will be adding this bazooka. Okay, basically this is a shotgun but it seems more like a bazooka as well. Okay, so if you want you can use some other bazooka or some other rifle, but I will just simply use this one. Okay, so if we open up the player, okay, right here we have this sword and this rifle. Okay, now in the right hand we will drag and drop this bazooka as well and then click on reset. That is it. Click on this shotgun, click unpack completely. Let's name this as bazooka. Then we need to set the position of this bazooka according to the animations. So if we open up, first of all open up the bazooka state machine, and in here let's for example double click on the shooting so that it open up the animations folder of the bazooka. Then what we will do, let's select the idle aim. Okay, drag and drop this animation right here and set this as the default one for now. And when you set this as the default, then simply play the game. And as you can see, there is the player. So now let's position this bazooka, change to scene view. Okay, click on bazooka and now let's set this up. Okay, so we will set this to 90. We will leave this as 0 and this one as 0 as well. That is it. Then let's rotate it like this. Okay, make this 180 and as you can see that is already set to 90. Then move it right here, then to this position. Okay, as you can see it is taking some place now. If you check it in the game view, there it is, the player is holding the rifle. Let me move it a little bit down below and then move it back right here maybe. Okay, so I think like this it looks good, but the player hand right here is not holding the bazooka. Okay, so don't worry, we will fix that. If we click on the bazooka, first of all copy the component, click on copy component 2 times just to make sure that the transform is being copied. Then stop the game and simply paste the values and you can notice the bazooka right here now. Okay, then let's play the game again, and as you can see the player is holding the bazooka. Now what we will do right here is, for example, if you click on this bazooka, let's create a 3D cylinder like that. Let's change the size of it to 0.1 or 0.2, then 0.2. Let's resize this even more. Okay, so if you notice that we will create some kind of cylinder like this so that it shows that the player is holding down the gun from that point. Okay, we will do that. So now if we stop the game, as you can see the cylinder disappear. But if we create this cylinder again in the bazooka, okay, change the scale to 0.1, 0.1 and 0.1 in the XYZ. Then let's play the game, and as you can see there is the cylinder. So what we need to do with this cylinder is change into scene view, and now let's move this cylinder right here, for example, and we need to resize this cylinder even more now, like this. Okay, guys, you can skip this step if you want. Okay, you can find some other animation for this and then you can add that animations, but if you are following me, then just do whatever I am doing. Okay, copy the transform of this cylinder, stop the game and click on paste component values. That is it. Now to this cylinder we will be adding some material as well. If we open up the launcher right here in the materials, we have that. Let's try this material on it. As you can see, it looks yellow, but it looks really bad. Okay, so what we can do right here, we will create a material. Let's just name this as Bazooka handle. Click on this cylinder, drag and drop this Bazooka handle right there. Then if we click on this material right here, let's change its color to yellow. And just set the values for it like this. Okay, you can notice the color code right here, the hexadecimal, and you can find the RGB values as well. So you can color this whatever you want. I was just showing you how you can add material to it. Okay, and then from that upper side we will move this in there like that. Okay, that is it. So now the bazooka has the handle. Now if we play the game again, okay, so as you can see now the player is holding the bazooka from the handle like that. Okay, now let's click stop the game, click on the animator, remove this animation. That will be it. Let's play the game again now. Let me put it on the maximize. Let's activate. As you can see, the player shoots and the knight simply disappears. Okay, but as you can see now the animations is working perfectly fine. Okay, the holding animation, as you can see. Okay, the player can aim like that. So with this done, now from the upcoming videos we will be working on our knight AI. Okay, so we will allow this knight to damage the player and also do some other cool stuff as well. So with this done, let's end this video right here.